In today's world where digital platforms dominate the landscape, it's crucial to understand how platforms optimize their website and content for search engines. One of the most popular platforms that has successfully implemented technical SEO strategies is YouTube. With millions of videos uploaded daily, YouTube continues to refine its algorithm to provide users with the best possible experience while ensuring that creators' content is discoverable. In this case study, we'll dive deep into how YouTube has optimized its platform using technical SEO practices, the challenges it faces, and how these strategies can apply to other digital platforms. Before we begin, it's essential to understand what technical SEO and digital platform optimization mean in this context. Technical SEO refers to the behind-the-scenes factors that help search engines crawl, index, and rank a website or platform's content effectively. These include website speed, mobile friendliness, secure connections, proper URL structures, internal linking, and much more. Digital platform optimization, on the other hand, is the process of optimizing the user experience across a platform, ensuring that both users and algorithms can access and interact with the content seamlessly. While traditional websites focus on optimizing content for search engines like Google, YouTube, as a video sharing platform, has its own unique set of challenges. It operates within the constraints of both an internet search engine and a multimedia platform. YouTube, owned by Google, relies heavily on technical SEO to stay competitive and accessible to millions of users, content creators, and businesses. The importance of technical SEO for YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine globally, behind Google, with over 2 billion logged-in users each month. It processes over 3 billion searches per month and sees 1 billion hours of video watched daily. With such high traffic, optimizing YouTube's platform and its content is not just about making videos discoverable. It's about providing a seamless experience for users and creators alike. The user experience, ranking, and discovery of content all depend on how well YouTube optimizes its platform. Just as Google uses technical SEO to serve better search results, YouTube uses its algorithm to determine which videos appear in search results, recommendations, and the homepage feed. But YouTube doesn't just rely on content, it ensures that the technical aspects of its platform, like video playback speed, page load times, and mobile optimization, work flawlessly. This enables creators to get the visibility they deserve while ensuring that users find the content they're looking for without frustration. In this case study, we'll explore some of the most important technical SEO strategies YouTube employs to remain a leader in the digital space. Let's begin by analyzing some key areas of focus: website speed, mobile optimization, video indexing, metadata, and user experience. 1. Website speed and video load time. Website speed is one of the most important factors when it comes to technical SEO. For YouTube, speed optimization is particularly critical as it directly impacts user engagement and experience. YouTube hosts an enormous amount of content. Over 500 hours of video are uploaded every minute. With so much video data, ensuring smooth streaming, quick loading times, and minimal buffering is an ongoing challenge. For YouTube, optimizing video load times and ensuring content plays without delay or buffering is essential. This is not just a matter of user convenience, but also a critical ranking factor. Google, the parent company of YouTube, considers page load times when determining search rankings. The faster a platform loads and the smoother videos play, the better the user experience, which leads to improved rankings. YouTube's technical team uses advanced video compression algorithms, adaptive bitrate streaming, and content delivery networks to ensure fast video delivery across different locations. These technical measures help reduce buffering and video lag, ensuring that videos play as soon as users click on them. To optimize speed further, YouTube leverages caching mechanisms, meaning that videos users have previously watched are temporarily stored on local servers, reducing the time it takes for videos to load the next time. These optimizations make it easier for users to access content without delays, improving both SEO and user engagement. 2. Mobile optimization. YouTube's mobile-first approach. As more users shift from desktops to mobile devices for browsing and video consumption, optimizing for mobile becomes a non-negotiable strategy for any digital platform. YouTube has taken a mobile-first approach, ensuring its platform works seamlessly across a variety of devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and smart TVs. Mobile optimization impacts everything from page layout to video playback. YouTube has made its mobile app and website interface user-friendly, ensuring videos load quickly and play smoothly on smaller screens. This mobile optimization strategy also extends to adaptive video player interfaces, which adjust video size, content recommendations, and playback controls based on the device type. From a technical SEO standpoint, YouTube ensures that its mobile app is well optimized for search engines by focusing on responsive design and optimizing metadata for mobile indexing. By providing a seamless mobile experience, YouTube increases user engagement and makes it easier for users to search and discover content on the go. This directly impacts how often users return to the platform, which in turn influences video rankings. Mobile optimization also plays a significant role in YouTube's search engine results. YouTube recognizes that mobile users tend to have shorter attention spans and, as a result, may need faster, more accessible content. This is why mobile-friendly design is a critical ranking factor on YouTube and other digital platforms. 3. Video indexing and metadata optimization. One of the key components of technical SEO for YouTube is video indexing. Video indexing refers to the process through which YouTube's search algorithm analyzes and categorizes videos to ensure they appear in relevant search results. Unlike text-based content, YouTube needs to understand the context and subject matter of videos to index them effectively. To help with this, YouTube relies heavily on metadata, which includes the title, description, and tags of each video. Properly optimized metadata helps YouTube's algorithm understand the content of the video, making it easier for the platform to suggest videos to users and rank them in search results. However, YouTube also takes into account factors like video quality, engagement rate, views, likes, comments, shares, and relevance to user queries. YouTube also uses advanced techniques such as machine learning and speech recognition to further enhance video indexing. By automatically transcribing and analyzing the content of videos, YouTube's algorithm is able to index videos even if the metadata isn't perfectly optimized. This means that YouTube can recommend videos based on content rather than just relying on titles or descriptions. For creators, understanding how to properly use metadata is key to ranking videos effectively. An optimized title, clear and concise description, and relevant tags can make a significant difference in video visibility. Moreover, creating high-quality content with high engagement metrics is a strategy YouTube heavily favors. 4. Internal linking and navigation. A seamless user experience across YouTube's platform is heavily reliant on internal linking and navigation. YouTube's user interface is designed to help users discover related videos quickly and easily. Whether it's through the Up Next feature, the homepage recommendations, or the sidebar suggestions, YouTube uses internal linking to keep users engaged. From an SEO standpoint, internal linking allows YouTube's algorithm to better understand which videos are related to each other. This hierarchical system enables YouTube to push relevant content to the forefront. The more videos that are internally linked, the more likely they are to appear in search results and recommended lists. YouTube also uses playlists and channels as powerful internal linking tools. Playlists are collections of videos grouped around a specific theme or subject matter, which improves user experience by curating content based on interests. For creators, organizing videos into relevant playlists is a great way to enhance discoverability. For SEO purposes, YouTube's algorithm looks at watch history, user preferences, and engagement data to suggest videos that are most likely to resonate with viewers. This internal linking system not only improves user engagement, but also directly influences SEO by helping videos rank higher in search results and recommendations. 5. User experience navigating the platform. A smooth, intuitive user experience is at the core of YouTube's platform optimization. From personalized video recommendations to the ease of subscribing to channels, YouTube's algorithm takes into account how users interact with the platform when determining which videos to rank higher. User experience optimization includes minimizing bounce rates, enhancing engagement, and reducing friction in the viewing process. For example, when a video finishes playing, YouTube automatically starts the next recommended video, which keeps users engaged on the platform. This seamless transition from one video to the next encourages users to stay on the platform longer, improving YouTube's session metrics. Another critical aspect of user experience on YouTube is video accessibility. YouTube includes features like subtitles, closed captions, and multilingual support to make content accessible to a wider audience. Additionally, YouTube's ability to optimize video suggestions based on users' watch history and preferences makes the experience even more tailored, enhancing both engagement and retention. From an SEO perspective, high engagement metrics, comments, likes, shares, signal to YouTube's algorithm that a video is valuable and relevant. Videos that generate more interaction are more likely to be recommended to others, thus improving their search rankings and visibility on the platform. As digital platforms continue to grow and evolve, technical SEO and optimization strategies will play an increasingly important role in improving platform performance and user experience. YouTube's case study demonstrates how a combination of speed optimization, mobile-first design, video indexing, internal linking, and user experience optimization can help a platform maintain its dominance in the digital space. The principles behind YouTube's optimization can apply to other digital platforms, including social media networks, e-commerce websites, and content-based platforms. As competition continues to grow, platforms must continuously innovate to stay ahead and provide users with the best possible experience. If you're a content creator or a digital marketer, understanding these technical SEO strategies can help you optimize your content for better visibility and engagement. Do you agree that platform optimization is as crucial as content creation itself? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth insights on digital platform strategies.